Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on Webtech Zone. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to add comments on Google Docs. So, when you share your Google Docs to your, another member, so maybe there is a requirement to add the comments to share your opinion or your views. So, I will show you how to add the comments on shared Google Docs. So, I just open my Google Docs file here and I just write some text to you show. Yes, okay. So simply you have to select the text where you want to add comment, and here you can see that this box will be open, or you can directly go in there and you can add the comments. And now you can add comments. Okay, we can add comment that is good, it will be done by 2 weeks. Okay, so you have to submit this comment. You can also voice comment. You need the voice or mic to add the voice code. Just submit, then comments has been added. Okay, so if someone want to reply on this, they will be click on it and they will reply on it. Okay, so they will reply. And if you want to tag someone on this comment, just hit the hashtag, and so hashtag is at the rate, and you will find all the email ID, or you can search from here and just add the person that will be notified that this comments has mentioned that this person, or just submit it. So you can also delete these comments or edit these comments. Okay, and you can also, if this problem or this query has been resolved, so you have to just untick it and this comment will be dissolved. But when you this queries or problem will resolve, when you disable your comments, after that also you will find the comments history here. Okay, you will find all comment history, this particular tags here, that comment history here. Okay, we can also add and reopen this discussion by clicking on it and reopen it. Okay, or you can also link to this comment to another person. Just copy this link and you can link it to another person, another tag, another message, whenever. So I hope you like this video. Subscribe me. Thank you for watching.